How much do investment bankers make? Entry-level investment bankers can make a base salary of around $78,000 with bonuses and stock options. As you progress in your career, your total compensation package can reach millions. Of course, as with any investment, how much an investment banker makes depends on how well they play their cards. Rates of success can range from hundreds of thousands to tens of millions, depending on how well informed and how skilled they are in the business. So how much do investment bankers make? While the average salary for an investment banker is around $90,000 per year, top bankers have been known to make anywhere from $250,000, $500,000 a year. That's a sizable chunk of change. If you're looking for a way to make serious money, investment banking is the career path for you. Just remember that it requires dedication and hard work in order to succeed. The investment banking field is highly competitive and requires a large skill set to break into. Here are some of the benefits of an investment banker. Benefits: high pay. Investment bankers can earn a great salary, with bonuses that can add up to hundreds of thousands or even millions per year. Networking opportunities. Being part of the inner circle in finance gives you access to industry leaders and contacts that can be invaluable throughout your career. Prestige. Investment banking is one of the most prestigious and competitive careers out there and carries a certain level of prestige with it. Investment banking is a rewarding job, and these benefits will help you secure your future. Speaking of security, no one wants their valuables to be stolen, whether they be physical or digital assets, such as cryptocurrencies. That is why when investing in cryptocurrencies, it is vital to get a hardware wallet. A hardware wallet can help safeguard your funds and keep your mind at ease. Out of the many hardware wallets, there is one that we highly recommend. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and its content. Learn more. Protect your cryptocurrency with the peace of mind that comes only from Ledger wallets. Their top-notch safety measures turn digital asset insecurity into a thing of the past, so don't gamble on security, go for total protection. Check out Ledger wallets today. To learn more about investments, check out our previous video.